What's up, guys? So I'm gonna show you how to change a purge valve on a 2006 R350 Mercedes Benz. So I'm gonna show you where it's at. It's on the driver's side of the car, and basically what you have to do, so you take this bottom hose off, you press it in, and then you pull. It's a little tab on the top. You just press in, and then you pull. Just pull that out the way. And then there's a hose at the bottom. Let me see if I can get this off. Yep. So you take that off. These are like one-time use clamps, but I'm gonna see if I can save this. I'm gonna get a piece of pliers and kind of wiggle it off. So I couldn't save it. I had to take it off. So when you do replace this, just make sure you get another clamp that you can screw on and tighten. But I'm gonna go get one. But just put this one back on the bottom. Clamp this back on there. Snap this back on. Boom. That's how you change the purge valve on a 2006 R350 Mercedes Benz.